All right, so next I want to show how we can do some basic video manipulation using the code interpreter with GPT-4. So I have now I have a code interpreter session going, and I have a folder just of my own videos that I've made actually for this course, just some short videos. And this is just acting as sort of a placeholder demo, but I'm going to ask it to do some basic video manipulation. But the first thing I have to do is actually zip my video folder, because I only want a single upload. Make sure it's under 500 megabytes, which is a significant restriction if I was trying to do something big. For example, one of the things I had to do recently was go and rename like 500 video files for one of my old courses. The numbering system got messed up and I needed to rename them. I wrote a basic script myself to do it, but it would be nice to use the interpreter to do it, except the video files are like how much? It was multiple gigabytes of videos, like almost 100. So that wouldn't work to upload. But I just asked ChatGPT to write me a script, and then I used the script and tweaked it myself. So it all worked out fine. So I'm going to upload my videos.zip, and I'm going to ask it or tell it, this is a zip folder containing videos. What do I want it to do? I think it'd be cool. I could ask it to trim the videos or add on a little intro video to each one. That might be fancy, like a little, I don't have an intro right now, but that could be useful. Or maybe I'd like you to create me a new video containing 2-second clips from the original videos included in the folder. So I don't know if this would truly be useful in this case, but I just want to show that it can do video manipulation. So I'm going to give it this folder of videos. I want it to unzip it and then take 2 seconds of video from each one of them and combine those 2 seconds to make a 10-second video. All right, so that finished up. The upload did. Now I'm going to submit it and see what it says. It's going to unzip the file, identify the videos, extract 2-second clips, combine the clips into one video. Let's see, the first step is unzipping it. Then it's trying to get a list of the video files. Same thing as last time when I provided a zip folder, it wasn't expecting there to be a folder inside, which it's because of the way I zip them together. I put them in a folder first and then zip the whole folder. So I'll just tell it there's a folder inside the zip folder. Let's see if that's enough information. And hopefully it will, there we go, it found the videos. So again, it's just the folder structure I provided. I probably would have been better off, I definitely would have, if I just selected all the files and then zipped them together instead of putting them in a folder first. Now it's asking me, do you want to extract the first 2 seconds or a specific timestamp? Let's just do the first 2 seconds. It's not something that's actually useful, but I just want to show some of its capabilities here to do some basic video processing. And then we can see the code that it's using. So it's using a library called MoviePy, and then it's going through each of the videos from 0 to 2, the start time and end time, and it's extracting that information and then creating this list of clips, and then eventually writing that video to a new file. Okay, so it saved them separately as a bunch of small clips. You can see clip has been added to the name of each file. Now it's going to combine them all. Just use the existing order. It's asking me what order I want them to be combined into, and I'll just say the order that they were defined in. I don't really care, although it is 4, 5, 2, 3, 1, whatever. That's okay. And here's our code where it is creating a new clip file by concatenating all the different files together from that one folder. And now I can download the final video. Hopefully. Here we go. Here it is. First 2 seconds of one video. Next 2 seconds. Another 2 seconds. Another 2 seconds. They all kind of look the same, but you can tell there's different